when you recognize, when you understand, and I'm speaking to all the students, the young people, the next generation, we have to remember, not just for the sake of remembering, because we have to recognize, as the Council General said, I wish I could say to you that the world has changed. It's not the same world anymore. There's a recognition of what evil is. There's a recognition that murdering innocent civilians is something of the past, not the present. But unfortunately, we all know the reality. The Wall Street Journal just had a story 2 days ago based on a study that was done about anti-Semitism all over the world. 40%, 50% of people throughout the world say there was no Holocaust. It's not accurate, it's not true. This is the reality. And we know the situation in terms of the enemies of Israel, but it's not the enemies of Israel, ladies and gentlemen. It's the enemies of the Jewish people. There's something that people have against us. I haven't been able to figure it out because we don't bother anyone. We just want to live. We just want to be able to live. So we have to be aware. We have to be prepared to speak out and to stand up and to do the right thing regardless. And that is hopefully what I have tried to do. And I don't deserve any recognition for it, because when your parents go through what my parents went through and what the Jewish people went through, how can you not do? How can you not stand up against anti-Semitism?